Tired of those annoying hiccups that won't go away? What if I told you there's a strange but scientifically proven way to stop them instantly? You won't believe this trick. Stick around and you'll never struggle with hiccups again. Before we dive in, if you love quick science hacks that make your life easier, hit that subscribe button and never miss out on the next big tip. Here's the trick. When you get hiccups, try holding a glass of water and drink it upside down. Sounds crazy, right? But it works. This position forces your diaphragm to reset, calming down those uncontrollable spasms causing the hiccups. Now, the next time you get hiccups, you'll know exactly how to stop them. Want more mind-blowing life hacks like this? Hit that bell icon because I've got more amazing tricks that will blow your mind in the next video.